Hello, children. Hope you all are fine. You all are keeping safe at home. Okay. So, today in our EVS class, today let us study about domestic animals. Let us study about domestic animals. There are different kinds of animals in the world, and they are divided into different groups like domestic animals, wild animals, water animals, etc. Okay, but today we are going to learn the names of domestic animals. Children, what are domestic animals? Can you tell me what are domestic animals? Which animals are called domestic animals? Animals that help us in different needs are called as domestic animals. Animals that help us in different needs are called as domestic animals. And one thing, children, all the domestic animals are kept at home. We keep these animals at home, isn't it? The animals which lives in jungles are called wild animals. The animals which lives in water are called water animals. But animals which we keep at home are called domestic animals. They are called domestic animals. So children, today we are going to learn the names of few domestic animals. Why do we keep these domestic animals at home? Because they help us, like cow. Why do you keep cow at home? Because cow gives us milk, isn't it? Why do you keep sheep at home? Sheep gives us wool, like that. So we keep those animals at home. So let's learn the names of domestic animals. Here comes cat, cat. Cat. This is a cat. This is a cat. Cat. Next is dog. Dog. This dog also we keep at home. This dog guards our home, isn't it? So dog. This is cow. This is a cow. Cow. And what is this? This is a pig. 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 Okay. Goat. Goat. Sheep. Sheep. Camel. Camel. Rabbit. Rabbit. Horse. Horse. This is donkey. 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 And what is this, children? This is a yak. 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 This is a yak. Children, what is this? Yes, this is a buffalo. This is a buffalo. 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 So these are the names of domestic animals. These are the names of domestic animals. There are so many domestic animals, but today we are going to learn this many only. At least 10 domestic animals we are going to learn. So let us repeat again. Okay, from the beginning, we'll say once again. Cat. Dog. Cow. Pig. Goat. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. C-A-M-E-L, camel. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. H-O-R-S-E, horse. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Y-A-K, yak. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. So these are the names you have to learn. Okay, today these are the names of the domestic animals. These are the names of domestic animals. So children, please learn. Okay, repeat this, learn and write in your EVS copy. Okay, at least you have to learn the names of 10 domestic animals. Okay, so very good. Today you have learned the names of domestic animals. So write this in your, learn and write this in your EVS copy. Okay, so thank you very much. This much for today. Have a good day.